everybody, welcome to Window Shopping with Julie Special Edition. Today I'm doing a video on there might be a chance of thunderstorms happening in the San Francisco area and it might rain. So it might be a 10% chance of thunderstorms and rain. So watch out for fire because it might cause a fire because it happens in the 2020 LNU fire complex, and so we have to watch out and stay indoors and be safe. So I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, and I hope you enjoyed the rest of your Tuesday.